Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Today we are making the trendy TikTok tortilla sandwich wrap. Actually, it's a new hack how to fold the tortillas. Usually we fold the tortillas in like the way we do it in burritos and so on, but this one is quite actually impressive and it's nice. And today I'm going to show you with 6 different fillings. It could serve as a breakfast, lunch, brunch, even dessert. It's really good. And if you like this video and more videos to come, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you won't miss a thing. Let's get started. I use a whole wheat tortilla wrap. You could use any kind of tortilla wrap. It does not matter. And then you just make the incision like the way I showed you. Just imagine you are in the middle of the tortilla and then just slide down. And then fold it as wise. You fold it upwards, then sideways, then downwards. The last 2 sides are actually what's going to be in the outsides of the tortilla. So if you want to put cheese or whatever that wants to melt, put it in these last two corners. Here, this filling is more like a BMT sandwich. Here I use beef pastrami, and then here chicken mortadellas, and spinach, jalapenos, because I like it spicy. Of course, you could omit that. And here I use the sauce. You could use whatever you want. I used here mayo and ketchup, which is basically a Thousand Island sauce. You could use ranch, you could use only mayo, mustard, whatever you want. And that's it. So now we start to fold. As I remember, you just fold the way I'm showing you right now. It's pretty easy and it's not really hard. And there's very little fallouts. And then if you have a panini presser, then you use that. I don't have it, and I think most of the people don't have it. So you just take a pan and heat it up. Brush melted butter on both sides, and then brush melted butter on both sides. Press it down gently with your spatula, and that's it. For this one is a dessert, so I used a white flour tortilla wrap because it has less salt and tastes better with the dessert one. So here in one corner I put Nutella, and in the other corner I put Lotus Biscoff. It tastes really good. If you guys don't know this, it just really tastes really good. I had here the crunchy one, and it doesn't matter, but it just tastes really good. I highly recommend you guys do it. And then in the other corner, in the third corner, I put bananas because it goes great with Nutella, and I put strawberries because it goes great with Lotus. You could actually put peanut butter if you're a peanut butter fan, or you could put custard. Your world is your imagination. And then just fold it likewise. You could eat it as is without even heating it up, but I heated mine up and it tasted really good because the chocolate, the Nutella and the Biscoff and all of that, they just melted into each other, and the crust was a bit crispy. It was just perfect. And now I did like a pizza, just like a pizza sandwich wrap. I have no idea what it's called. I put here some pizza sauce, olives. I wanted to put mushroom, but they didn't have mushroom. So, and here pepperonis. And I love basil, so I put basil on my pizza sauce. Although I really did put basil when I cooked it, but it just extra because it tastes really good. And mozzarella cheese. And just unfold it, and voila, you have a sandwich in 3 bites. You have a pizza in 3 bites. This one is like a breakfast sandwich. I put scrambled eggs. You could put sunny side up eggs, hard boiled eggs, whatever you want. I put tomatoes and cheese. Love cheese, as you can see, and I put avocados. I just love the creaminess of the avocado in the whole time. Mixture is just beautiful. You could mash your avocado with some lemon and some salt, or you could just cut it and put it as I did. Both are perfect. Brush each side with melted butter and then just keep on pressing it. This one I call it مناقيش, which is basically flat bread with za'atar. Za'atar is thyme, dry thyme, and cheese. I put either labna or cream cheese, whatever you have, in both corners, and then I took some za'atar, which is thyme, but it has different spice and it's a bit soury. It's really good. You just go to any Arabic store and ask for za'atar shami and you'll give it to you, because this will make this tortilla sandwich wrap to مناقيش. I put a little bit of olive oil to make it into a thick paste because I don't want it to be runny. And then I spread that corner, and the last corner I put mozzarella cheese because I like it when it's melty. This one I call it the Arabic breakfast because usually this is the ingredients that we have in our breakfast. Cheese, labna, any kind of cheese you guys want. Even feta cheese would be perfect, but I didn't have it. Cucumber, cherry tomatoes, regular tomatoes, olives. You can go crazy, and then just fold it. For this one, yeah, it's up to you. You could eat it without heating it up, or you could eat it with heating it up. And that's it. And look how beautiful they are. They're so easy to make and they're so good. And this is so versatile. You could just put anything you want. And hope you like this video. And as always, enjoy. وبالعافية عليكم. هذا الفيديو عبارة عن إنه كيف نقدر نصلح بالتورتيلا راب، نقدر نلفها بطرق مختلفة. نزلت فيديوهات كثيرة في تيك توك وانتشرت بطريقة خرافية، وبصراحة من حقهم لأنه من جد الطريقة مرة حلوة، واللي فكر فيها كان عبقري. أنا وريتكم ب6 حشوات مختلفة كلها لذيذة. الحلا والله من جد عجبني مرة. عاد كمان في النهاية لو تحط كمان عليها ويب كريم ولا كاسترد، الطعم خرافي. وشكرا لدعمكم لي، وأشوفكم إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.